Hey folks, here's Fredericton Volkswagen's 2021 Volkswagen Atlas Execline. Pure white with black interior, and this specific Atlas Execline does not have any additional options, which would be your captain chairs or the R-Line package. Still has some really nice wheels, which is new for 2021 model. Digital cockpit, upgraded fender audio with the Execline, adaptive cruise control, front autonomous emergency braking, lane assist, rear cross traffic alert. The 2021 has the new updated IQ, you can't really see that, IQ tail lights and headlights, so they're completely adaptive. Tons of cargo space, very easy entry for a third row if you just wanted to flip it up from the back, very easy to do so.